Hi, this is Real Estate Ron, and I'm here to talk about my workshop this Thursday at 7 p.m. It's a workshop on how to profit from the tax sale. It's a step-by-step approach for working the tax sale. Although I focus on Chester County, it can be applied to any of the counties around here, even out of state. I purchased some liens in New Jersey. You can even apply it to those jurisdictions. So this is a step-by-step approach. It's not a sales pitch. I am not asking you to join me in a tax sale property purchase. This is simply for my investors, landlords, and wholesalers to work the tax sale and profit from it. So if you're interested in that, join me this Thursday at 7 p.m.